Hello guys, so this video I'm making it to show you how to do audio delay in OBS and vMix while using the Haivision Play Pro application. Now when I posted that very video, it got a lot of traction and a lot of comments too, and that is from people who watched it and say they love the application, but then they are having the issue of audio and video delay where the audio tend to be faster than the video because of the noticeable latency. So this video I want to make it practical to show you how to be able to do an audio delay that will now enable the video and the audio to be in sync. So I'll be using this very phone where I'll be connecting it to my system to show you how to do it and also how to calculate, because it might differ from person to person, but then the idea you're going to get from this video is going to enable you to be able to set it up properly. So basically what I had to do was to take a small screenshot from my OBS and I brought it into my recording software. So as of this point, I'm now going to check to see the point where it aligns. But before I can do that, I should be able to detect from whatsoever activity that I can be able to match, so that I'll be able to pull the sync properly. So you can see this is actually the video right here. Let's see. So this is actually my feed right here inside my OBS, right? So if I say hello, you can see that. You can say hello. So I'm going to take few claps so that I'll be able to use that as a metrics to be able to match it up in my editing software. So with this now, all I simply need to do is put a marker. I'm going to come to this part. You can see this very one. This is actually the first marker, and then I'll put a marker here. You can see that despite the fact that I unlinked the boot, but then it's still putting a marker because it recognizes that that is the point where the clap took place. And I'll put another one, right? So that is second one, and then the third one is around this same place. Look at it. So what I'm just doing now is for me to be able to identify the places where the marker, where the clap happened. So I'll just go back again. Then what I'll be targeting now is my activity based on the clap that I did, right? So I'll now clap. So you see this point where my hand came together, right? That is the part where I'm gonna get it to meet. So let me just put a marker. So I'm now going to identify that the marker before this very one, that is now going to be the first clap, and let's see if that will actually work. So just using this very one, I'm now going to highlight the boot, move it forward. This stuff I'm doing, you don't need to repeat it once you do it the first time. The reason is so that you'll be able to tell from your own end what works for you. Now this may not be perfectly done, so in your own case just calm down and do it, but I just want to show you. So that means I'm going to bring this one now I'm going to bring it back. Remember, I'm going to drag this video back, because if you watch, you will see what happened. You see? Meanwhile, this is where the clap happened. You see that the clap was happening even before the video played, right? So we are now going to bring this back. So, but then remember that is the last one, as in the second to the last, meeting the first clap. So let's see if that works, right? So if I say hello, you can see that. You can say hello. So I'm going to take few claps. See that? So this is basically all that we need to do. Now, how do we now know the figure to now put? That is where you will now have to check all these things. All these things are frames. All these stuffs are frames, right? From here to this point. So we are going to calculate how many frame difference that we have here. and in this case is 25 frames. Look at it. It's 2 seconds 25 frames. So this 2 seconds 25 frames, I did a little research on that, and then that was through ChatGPT, where I asked ChatGPT to tell me what the milliseconds is going to be, because he had to convert these frames into milliseconds, and then it gave me a number which is based on the frame rate that I was shooting. So since I was shooting Haivision Play Pro at 30 frames per second, it now gives me a total of 2833 milliseconds. Yes, so I did that. You can see it right here on the screen. So now, just by doing this alone, I've been able to establish that as of this point, that anybody that is watching it online that sees, let's assume the master, why this is very important is if you have your master camera, right? Your master camera can be properly matched to, fit this audio, then any other one can just be around, or if they still want to be in sync, because they might have their own little discrepancies. But why this is important is for your master, so that whoever is watching, at least if the preacher or someone that is singing is maybe doing the activity, they should be able to connect and not feel like this person is not really singing. Back here on my OBS interface, right now, this is my audio, which is serving like my external microphone. This is the mic where I'm getting my sound from, right? So what I now need to do is come over here to the options, advanced audio properties. Then you can see that by default, what I had here initially was 400 milliseconds. Not by default, that was like when I was still using Iron, right? So what I now need to do, that very figure that I told you about, 2833 milliseconds. That is how, like this place where it says sync offset, and I'm going to close it. So when I close, now what I'm now going to do is I'm going to take a recording, then I will play back that recording. Let's see if this actually did justice to it, so that going ahead we no longer need to come back here. With this, that issue has been solved for us. So let me go ahead and click on start recording. Hello guys, so we are trying this out to see if the number that we just imputed on the audio delay, if it actually worked, right? So this is just me trying it out. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and I'm going to stop the recording. Then I'm going to now play it back, so that we'll see how good that is. And click on start recording. Hello guys, so we are trying this out to see if the number that we just imputed on the audio delay, if it actually worked, right? So this is just me trying it out. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and okay, so you can see that it actually solved the problem. Now, what you can simply do is you can steal this if you are shooting at 30 frames per second, or if you use my settings. Now, on that latency, you can reduce it to 20 milliseconds. 20. Just go there and put 20. Instead of using 200, put 20. Okay? So, just go ahead and maybe dial in this number and see if it worked for you. Okay? So, that is just basically that. Then, for vMix, how do we do our audio delay? I'm going to show you how it's done. So right here on my vMix, this is how you can easily add the number to your audio delay, so that just the same way you saw it work in OBS, you also see that working for your vMix. So what do? So once you come to the settings, you are going to dial a certain number. Now come over here where it says audio, and then you are going to add the number, which is 2833. And when you click on OK, it's going to ask you to restart. I won't restart that because I'm actually using this very system to record. So if I do that, it's going to cut it off. So you just click on yes, then it's going to restart. That is all that there is to be done. So if you want to learn more about how to set this up, which is the Haivision Play Pro application. The video is right here on my YouTube. Just make sure to watch it. Then check out other videos on how to even use OBS and any other tutorial as such. I hope that was very helpful to you. Please, if it did, do make sure to give me a follow, and also help subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and follow us across all our social media platforms for more. And if there is any other thoughts or opinion that you have that you want us to give attention to, don't hesitate to use the comment section to do that. And if you also want to belong to our WhatsApp community of like-minded media enthusiasts, you are going to find the link under this video description to join, or you can also tell me in the comment section if you are interested, and I will add you up. Till I see you again, do remember to help us share this video, and have a wonderful day.